Hello friends, today we will discuss how to show hidden files and folders in Windows 7 or how we can hide files and folders in Windows 7. We will discuss both methods, how we'll hide and how to view hidden files and folders. Friends, sometimes we want to hide some important data or information from any other user, then we need to hide folder or hide file. How we can do this and how we can unhide file or folder, we are see its practical implementation. First of all, we will create here a folder like test folder, and we will also create here a file text file. If we want to hide any file or folder, then we have to right click on it, go to its properties, and then check this option hidden and click apply and OK. Friends, this folder are disappear and hide. And same, if we want to hide any file, then we click on it and then click on hidden and apply OK. Both file and folder are disappear. Let's see how we can come back from these files and folder. Go to control panel, friends. Here we see a folder option. If we want, normally this was the this is the setting by default, and if we want to large icon, then you can see here folder options. Click on it and go to view tab. Here in view tab, under hidden files and folder, you will see don't show hidden files, folder or drives. If we hide any drive, file or folder, then it will not show. If we click on show hidden file, folder and drives and click on apply OK. Friends, you see here we are seeing a file and folder or some hidden disappearing form, like both are showing but in some disappearing form. Though this is the way how we can show hidden file and folder. And if we click on it, its properties, right click on it, uncheck this hidden, apply OK, then the folder is in its original form. And same like file, we click on it, apply OK, same both folder and file are in original format. If we want to hide this folder, then it will apply, then it will ask you have chosen to make the following attributes hide. Do you want to apply the changes to this folder only, or do you want to apply it to subfolders and files also? Friends, as you see here in this folder, a file is also present. Only we want to apply on this folder, or we want to apply its subfolder. We want to apply this folder and subfolders, then we choose this option. If we want to apply only this folder, then we choose this option. But we want to, this is the good practice that we have to apply this folder and subfolder and files. Click OK and apply. Friends, this is the method that how we can hide or unhide files. Same like we go to control panel and folder options, and friends, you see here, go to view option, view tab, and you will see here we already check this option, show hidden files and folder and drives. If we click on don't show hidden file, folders and drives, then our this folder will be disappear like this. You can see this folder is available, but we are unable to see this folder. Friends, this is the method we can hide or show any files or folders in drives or anywhere on your system. Okay, now if you want to unhide properly, click on properties, then uncheck hidden attribute and apply it. Okay friends, here we see the text file is also is in normal form, and this is all about the how to show hidden files and folder in Windows 7, or how to hide folder or file in Windows 7. I hope you understand all the procedure. If you have any question or query, you can write in comments. Bye.